Hi creative friends, it's Jane from Sustain My Craft Habit. It's pumpkin season and I want to show you a little trick for creating a beautiful fresh pumpkin succulent arrangement. For this project, you'll need a large carving pumpkin, several varieties of your favorite succulents, a sharp knife, and a spoon. So let's get started. In using the fresh pumpkins and fresh succulents, the trick is that you want to plant the succulents into a small pot that you can remove later when your pumpkin's no longer usable. And then plant in there a variety of succulents, whatever you have on hand or your favorite ones from the nursery. So here we have the biggest ones are varieties of echeveria such as dudleya, stonecrop, and hens and chicks. And then we filled in at the side with some smaller hanging greenery such as jade. Once you're happy with your succulent arrangement, place it on the top of your pumpkin and trace the outside to know where to cut it. You want to use a pot that's just a little bit smaller than the size of your pumpkin so that it'll fit inside. Use a sharp knife and cut out the circle. Next, use a spoon to scoop out as much of the insides as you possibly can from the pumpkin. This is important so that your pumpkin will last longer and not start to rot. Now you could definitely do this project with a faux pumpkin and faux succulents if you want something that will last longer. Although this arrangement will only last you a couple weeks, that's part of the beauty of it, that you'll have something unique to look forward to recreating next year. Once your insides are scooped out, try to place the succulent arrangement inside. If needed, trim more of the opening until you get a really cozy fit. You don't want the opening to be too large or else your container will fall right inside. And that's it. You have a pretty pumpkin succulent arrangement. Just make sure to give your succulents a little bit of water every now and then. Keep in mind too that these pumpkins can be attractive to squirrels and other critters. So if you have a lot of those in your neighborhood, you may want to consider bringing your pumpkin inside in the evening. We hope you enjoyed this video. For additional fall decor ideas, check out these projects we have here on our YouTube channel. And for more nature-inspired DIY and crafts ideas each week, please be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.